Coochie, you're gold, so stay protected.
Stay protected, bitch. Man, watch this shit. Y'all know how I'm fucking rocking out here, bro.
A few moments later.
Stay back. Get out of there. Fuck.
Oh,
God
yo,
damn
I
it,
thought he
nigga.
threw a Hey. You really gotta call me
We
that, bro.
regretting this
What
shit
are you
already.
doing? Lil Coochie, you're the newest member, so you gotta be
Oh,
MVP.
clock tower. Clock
The
tower's
newest
bad.
member, the newest
Yeah,
member
let's,
of what?
yeah.
This team.
Yeah, bitch. Team
Do I need
Coochie.
to
Let's get
unplug
it.
my shit and plug it back up?
Team Coochie. Coochie power.
There we go. Where'd Scary go?
Why he leave the party?
He'll be back.
He gets scared. The Coochie power.
The Coochie power scared him.
Hold up with them niggas.
Heartless.
What
The
happened?
Coochie power scare you?
Yeah, he scared me. I like this coochie. I want to rub my tentacles around it.
What happened
Well, you
to
want
Scary?
from what? Execution.
Watch this shit. Shut up, nigga. Watch.
Damn.
Mm.
Scary.
Everybody
The
was-
Coochie
what?
Coochie power scare you?
They fucked.
Well, you threw us off by leaving the party. You're scared of the Coochie power.
Yeah,
Oh
man.
my god.
Team Coochie.
Am I
Coochie power.
going
Let's
you
get
throwing
it.
coochie at me like that? That's fucked
What
up.
just happened? We just got wrecked.
Scary. Your name Eric.
Bro.
Which one of y'all's Big Dick Daddy Eric or whatever the fuck you told me to call you?
I'm Big Dick Daddy.
Heartless is Big Dick Daddy Eric.
Oh. No. No.
Who's Big Dick Daddy Eric?
Oh.
Eric,
Um,
you,
I got a
Little
big.
man.
I got a big head.
Just couldn't even get the fucking the fucking.
If you want to
radio
rub my
going.
nuts, what?
they're good. Shit, they're good. They fucked our shit up.
Coochie power. We
Eric,
get that.
you pretty. You pretty as shit too, Eric.
No, don't do that shit. You already stop doing that shit.
Rapid stop. I mean, it better sound like good shit. That shit be like. I'd be like, motherfucker, get off.
That's manly style.
Bro, y'all gotta stop that shit right now if I'm gonna play with y'all.
I'm about to reset my fucking Xbox. Something ain't right.
I'm about to hack their accounts and leak their credit card info to everybody.
You do that shit to me, I'll kill you. I will murder you. I will murder you with Diesel Cock and Eric pushing.
Your Bang Bros subscription is safe with me.
I'll be smacking Eric in the back of his ass with a switch.
Heartless, I'm trying to fucking play, and you're really distracting me. Like, I'm just trying to think about it. It's
Going
just-
bondage and shit.
I just let one hand off the controller.
Hold up, man. Hold the fuck up. Ain't no way. Let me stop talking shit. I'm about to mute y'all niggas. I gotta get serious. I can't
Come
get
on down
serious
here.
with y'all motherfuckers.
Party
I'm having
place.
too much
You want the
fun.
party place? Always count on you down there. Now
I'm
you
about
got
to
dropped.
run dick in these niggas' ass. So I'm about to do. But this nigga, I'm gonna peep over the wall and throw a grenade at you, nigga.
Damn. How inspirational to play with. I was saying some stuff earlier, but y'all saying y'all on
Shit.
some other shit.
That was.
I was talking about.
Peeing in bed.
You know that's poisonous. If you mix urine and shit, you could literally create like a toxic bomb.
Ah,
That's raw as hell.
nobody come down. Hey,
Oh my god.
Gotta
You know
make
what just
something work.
happened? I thought I was charging my fucking vibrator the whole time, but it wasn't plugged in. Fuck.
it's gonna be a long night.
I'm sorry, but you said the same shit last time, but have you even kissed a boy yet?
He says all of us are connecting.
Nah, he a bitch. Tell him he's lying. Alright. If anybody can beat me for being on top, I'll send y'all my fidget spinner.
Alright, deal.
It's a good deal. They just scared. They don't want to fucking lose the fidget spinner deal I'm putting out.
I'm wanting that fidget.
You gotta share.
I want a fidget. Yeah, if y'all are over me, I'll send you a fidget spinner. I only got one though, so whoever's at the top.
Hey, are we talking like the ninja fidget spinner, or are we talking like one with lights and? Like, what are we talking here?
It's got lights on it and it's colored like the galaxy, and like you can Bluetooth your like phone to it, so you can play like Soldier Boy, crank that while you spinning that bitch on like fresh ass white teeth.
I like to spin it and then put it on my nose.
Yeah, bro.
Crazy.
You can do
crazy like that.
and then
I put that shit. I put that shit on my mushroom too.
bumping some Soldier Boy too.
Hey, I'm doing my work. Look at this.
Keep it up, and you might get the fidget spinner.
Look at that. I've got 4, buddy.
I don't play with my fidget spinner deals.
That's some good shit right there.
Oh, here's Skull fucking his bitch.
Oh, I was gonna come and steal that one. Take some more points.
Bro, you can't be cheating for the spinners. Come on, man.
I
no,
got
it's the
somebody with
worst.
that nade. I mean, they want me to have that fidget spinner.
It's the.
Look at that. I gotta beat Coochie.
I don't have one fucking kill.
You don't? I'm taking it because I want that fidget so bad.
Oh.
Oh, get back here. I need you. I gotta take him hard. I'm sorry.
Yeah, he's trying to get that bitch.
Oh, I'd let him up so I can get some more points out of
You're
him.
the only one competing for it, really. Like, this is a rare ass fidget I'm giving away. Told you could play crank that on. I mean, damn. What more do you want? Soldier Boy, oh, and it's spinning and shit.
Where's it at? I gotta get this last guy so bad.
We'll have all the 6th graders flocking to you and shit. Whoa!
Oh, yeah. Oh, school's out. I'm gonna take it on the bus.
Yeah, man, you see, like, putting on your nose and shit, too. You do some cool-ass fidget tricks.
Well, if I take down my pants and stick it on the end of it, spin it.
Oh, yeah. What you do, if you get it, what you do with it is your business.
Look how bad I want that. I'm already
Damn,
at 9
bro.
kills. Oh, shit, I died. You let me die. Right there beside me.
Bro, you gotta shut your ass up. You want this fidget or not?
You let me die so I wouldn't get it.
Nah,
There you
I was trying to save you.
You know, if Heartless never said anything about sucking dick, we would have never met you.
Yeah,
No,
I'd change
I think
something,
you
let's
went
get
ahead
it.
of me. I hope not.
I hope so.
I think
gotta
you
keep
did.
that
I think you
fidget.
did.
Yeah,
You did.
Oh.
I'm here sweating. I'm sweating. I played so hard. Heartless, did you know we was playing for a fidget spinner that time?
Fuck fidget spinners, man. I got one across my dick right now. I can't get it off because I got a fat head.
You got the bearings about beat off of it.
Yeah. I need
Hey,
to put
hey,
some
Heart's not
WD-40
in
on
here.
it or something.
Piss out all my.
Heartless, y'all playing for a fidget spinner, alright?
Here, we got Scary back in here. You gotta hear about this fidget spinner.
If I get a fidget spinner, I'm gonna stick it on my dog's dick and YouTube that shit.
Motherfucker.
There you go.
Man, I got friggin' beads of sweat on my forehead. I don't know. Can we have one break of just playing and then go back to the fidget spinner?
Damn.
Oh,
I'm processing. I'm processing why I can't get the fidget spinner off my dick.
oh my shit.
It's stuck. My head's swollen up.
Well, I'll tell you how I got
Oh,
mine off.
terrible.
I had to friggin' spin that till the bearing went out.
They gonna have to put something on this shit.
What the
I don't
fuck
like
is that?
midgets.
I like midget. I like midget ones.
I don't like them short T-Rex arm niggas, man.
Oh my god.
They scare the fuck out of me. They look like they out there. They're good.
Oh,
Be running at you. They got a normal size head and little short ass pudgy arms.
Stop.
Motherfucker ain't right, man. That shit ain't right.
I know. You can't even put their legs up on your shoulders.
Fat ass arms, little chub rubs. Motherfucker, most of them got double chins and shit. Fucking little fat neck niggas.
Fucking nasty.
Fucking sweaty ass little nigga, little ass nuts.
Fucking nasty.
Yeah, but I like the ones with the flat head, so that when you're sucking, you can put your beer on their forehead, on their head, and it's filled.
Them little bitches be rocking that fucking little perm and shit. Tight ass perm.
I can't
fucking play.
Where you got the bands and
Oh,
shit, the 1980s. Motherfucking hairspray and shit everywhere. Oh, ugly ass bitch. She got too much eyeshadow on. Y'all niggas know what I'm talking about.
Oh fuck. Oh dude, I'm crying. This shit is so funny.
You be sitting up in the high chair. From a purple rain. Getting offended and shit. Fuck you, nigga. You short. You got
Help me
cheeks.
out.
You bow-legged. Bow-legged as fuck.
Oh.
Did you ride a horse over here?
Like a baby. A little fat meat. Little bow-legged fat meat legs, nigga.
Oh fuck.
Little short ass nigga trying to put lipstick on and looking all pretty and shit. You ugly as a motherfucker.
Talking about the fucking bitches.
Bitch got dimples and shit bigger than a fucking orange. Nasty motherfucker. Got a mama still wiping her ass
Not for
and
the
shit.
fidget spinner.
Your arms are too short, man. You can't even do shit.
Hey, this for the bitches.
My girl and shit, they be like, you need to call it, you need to call them little people. Or fuck them little midget ass niggas, man. Fucking little bastards. What the fuck is going on, man? My shit must be lagging. I got a little midget running my server and shit. The nigga can't reach the control panel. Little fucking T-Rex ass looking nigga. Like, they got little arms, but there's so many wrinkles in this shit. Like they got little arms.
Oh my god.
Like, they got little fat, chubby arms, man, like babies do. You know how babies got, like, the forearm and bicep, but they got, like, 5 or 6 little arms? You know what I mean? Them niggas don't look like you got one continuous arm.
This guy's fucked.
God damn. They got, like, 3 forearms and 3 biceps and shit. I mean, you feel me, right?
I don't know. I don't be looking at people like that, to be honest.
Yeah, you do. You see them niggas at Walmart.
No, I don't. What the fuck?
Hey,
I
man.
can't believe Scary just up and left us.
Hey. Man, I ain't mean to fucking offend him about midgets and shit, man.
I think he's short.
I mean, short is one thing, but
No, I don't think he's 5 foot.
motherfucker might be a midget. Fuck him. Fuck, man. I don't like midgets, man.